The importance of a regular car service. Introduction. Welcome to 2025 Chevrolet Silverado EV. Owning a car is a significant investment, and maintaining it properly is essential for safety, performance, and longevity. Regular car servicing can save you money in the long run by preventing costly repairs and ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly. In this video, we'll discuss the importance of car service, key maintenance tasks, and how regular checkups can keep your vehicle in top condition. Why regular car service matters. A well-maintained car is more reliable, fuel efficient, and safer to drive. Skipping routine maintenance can lead to unexpected breakdowns, expensive repairs, and even reduced resale value. Simple tasks like oil changes, tire rotations, and brake inspections help prevent major issues from developing. Additionally, regular servicing ensures compliance with manufacturer warranties and recommendations, preserving your vehicle's value over time. Oil and fluid maintenance. One of the most critical aspects of car service is maintaining proper fluid levels. Engine oil lubricates moving parts, reducing friction and preventing overheating. Over time, oil degrades and loses its effectiveness, leading to potential engine damage. Regular oil changes, typically every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, keep your engine running efficiently. Other essential fluids include coolant, transmission fluid, brake fluid, and power steering fluid. Low or dirty fluids can cause serious mechanical problems, affecting performance and safety. Checking and replacing these fluids at recommended intervals helps ensure smooth operation and extends the life of your car's components. Brake system inspection. Your car's braking system is crucial for safety. Worn-out brake pads, damaged rotors, or low brake fluid can lead to reduced braking efficiency and longer stopping distances. A professional brake inspection includes checking the pads, rotors, calipers, and fluid levels. If you hear squeaking or grinding noises or feel vibrations when braking, it's a sign that your brakes need attention. Ignoring brake issues can lead to costly repairs and, more importantly, put you at risk on the road. Tire maintenance and alignment. Tires are the only part of your vehicle that makes direct contact with the road, making their condition essential for safety and performance. Regular tire inspections help detect wear and tear, ensuring they provide proper traction. Underinflated or overinflated tires can impact fuel efficiency, handling, and tire lifespan. Additionally, wheel alignment and balancing play a key role in maintaining stability. Misaligned wheels can cause uneven tire wear, pulling to one side, and poor fuel efficiency. Checking alignment and rotating tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles helps ensure even wear and a smoother ride. Battery health and electrical system. A dead battery can leave you stranded, making regular battery checks an important part of car maintenance. Extreme temperatures, short trips, and old age can weaken your battery's performance. Testing the battery's charge, cleaning the terminals, and ensuring a secure connection can prevent unexpected failures. The electrical system, including the alternator and starter, should also be inspected during routine servicing. A failing alternator can drain your battery, while a faulty starter can make it difficult to turn on your vehicle. Addressing these issues early can prevent inconvenient breakdowns. Air filters and engine performance. Air filters play a significant role in your car's efficiency. A clogged air filter can restrict airflow to the engine, reducing performance and fuel economy. Replacing the air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles helps maintain proper combustion and engine power. Similarly, the cabin air filter ensures clean air inside the vehicle. A dirty filter can lead to poor ventilation and increased allergens in the cabin. Regular replacement improves air quality and helps your HVAC system function efficiently. Suspension and steering system. A well-maintained suspension system provides a comfortable and controlled ride. Worn-out shocks, struts, or bushings can cause a rough driving experience, reduced handling, and increased tire wear. Checking for leaks, unusual noises, or excessive bouncing after bumps can help detect suspension issues early. The steering system also requires regular inspection. Loose or unresponsive steering can indicate problems with power steering fluid, tie rods, or the steering rack. Addressing these concerns ensures safe and precise control of your vehicle. Exhaust system and emissions. Your car's exhaust system helps reduce emissions and improve fuel efficiency. Leaks or damaged components can lead to increased noise, reduced performance, and harmful emissions. Regular inspections ensure your vehicle meets environmental regulations and operates efficiently. Catalytic converters, oxygen sensors, and mufflers should be checked for wear and potential blockages. A failing exhaust system can trigger the check engine light and affect fuel economy. Addressing issues early prevents costly repairs and helps maintain a cleaner environment. Conclusion: regular car servicing is essential for maintaining performance, safety, and longevity. By staying on top of routine maintenance tasks like oil changes, brake inspections, and tire checks, you can avoid major repairs and unexpected breakdowns. Investing time and effort into servicing your car ensures a smoother driving experience and enhances its overall lifespan. At 2025 Chevrolet Silverado EV, we believe that taking care of your vehicle should be a priority. Keep your car in peak condition, and it will reward you with reliability and efficiency for years to come. Stay tuned for more automotive insights. And don't forget to prioritize regular maintenance for a safer and better driving experience.